Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off comments on a video on your YouTube channel. So it's very much simple and easy. This is a video on my channel and you can see I've turned off the comments here. You can pause your comments, you can even hold it. You need to review them before they'll be made public on the video. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very much simple and easy. So now you hop on your YouTube studio here. So you can see on my studio here, let me select a video I want to turn off comment here. So let me select this video. So now let me close all these tabs. Now let me open the video. Let me pause it. Let me not load any ad. Okay, so you can see here, comments is on here. You can enter your comments here. You can see. So now let me turn it off. So when you want to turn off comments on a video, you don't need to come here. When you come here, you're going to see the comments on the video. You get it, public comments on the video. So now let's scroll down. Let's just scroll down, and here you can see comments and ratings. You just need to scroll down. You're going to see this option, comments and ratings. So all you need to do here is just turn it off. Just like I said, you can pause it for some time. You can turn it off straight forward, or you can turn it on, but then you can, put on some restrictions, make your comments inappropriate comment, you make it strict, hold all, and the rest. So now let's turn it off. That's the main reason we are doing this video. And now let's save it. Good. And now let's move to the tab we opened the video. Let's refresh it. Let me not play any ad, so I pause it. Good. And let's wait for our page to load. It's not going to waste time, and you can see the comments are being turned off. So that's it on how you turn off comments on a video on your YouTube channel. It's very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.